Hey there! Welcome to our exciting project, where we're about to take you on a journey through the remarkable transformation of indoor spaces in Dubai. Get ready to witness an awesome makeover in Dubai. We're about to jazz up a dull indoor space and turn it into a super cool hangout spot. Check out this space, it's waiting for a makeover, a space filled with endless possibilities. We're about to sprinkle some magic and transform it into an indoor paradise. Now let's dive into the makeover magic. Our awesome team is working hard to put together some stylish decking flooring. Our skilled team meticulously crafts each plank, ensuring precision and attention to detail. They are measuring, cutting, and making sure everything fits just right. It's like building the coolest puzzle ever. Witness the decking boards seamlessly coming together, creating a sophisticated foundation for indoor comfort and style. Let's dive into the installation process. Dubai's indoor spaces demand a harmonious blend of functionality and aesthetics. Our choice of decking material ensures not only durability but also a touch of elegance suitable for indoor settings. Considerations like climate control and moisture resistance are crucial, ensuring the decking stands up to the indoor environment in Dubai. Ta-da! Look at this amazing transformation. The indoor decking has turned this place into a comfy and stylish hangout. This journey has taken us from a blank canvas to a stylish haven. The indoor decking not only adds visual appeal but also elevates the overall atmosphere, creating a cozy retreat within the heart of Dubai. Thanks for joining us on this epic indoor decking journey in Dubai. If you want to make your indoor space awesome, contact us for a consultation. Let's make your place the coolest in town.